Hey guys, it's me Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have another video for my brother, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make two different kinds of beef liver. So the first one over here is an Egyptian Alexandrian recipe, and here is another recipe. So let's get started. The first one on how to make your beef liver, you're going to be needing some corn flour, spices of your choice, salt and pepper, and your beef liver cut into slices like this. So let's get to it. First, we're going to mix together our spices and corn flour. We're going to add some salt and pepper on top of our beef liver. The next step is to coat our beef liver strips into our corn flour and spices mixture. So let's do that. The trick of using corn flour makes your liver more nice and crunchy. We're done coating our liver. Now it's time to ask a grown-up to fry. This is the second kind of beef liver that I'm going to be showing you today. First, you're going to need some beef liver cut into small, thin slices. You're going to need some boiling water, salt, cumin, pepper, bay leaves, tomatoes, carrots, pepper, garlic cloves, parsley, and coriander. We're going to be using the boiling water for a special trick that my family used. You're going to add some boiling water onto your beef liver before you cook it, then drain it. I've added in some boiling water with my beef liver and I mixed it well. So now it's time to drain it into a new bowl. Be careful. Now it's time to combine everything together in our pot. Okay, I've added some oil in my pot. And now we're adding the liver. And now we're gonna mix our beef liver really nicely until it starts to cook. Now that the liver has turned brown, we're going to add in our garlic, parsley, and bay leaves. And coriander. Mix well. We're going to add in our carrots. We're going to add in our tomatoes and pepper. Now it's time to add in our spices. First, our salt. Then our cumin. Last but not least, we're going to add in some pepper. Let's mix. Now we're going to leave it to cook for 10 minutes.